Okay, guys, welcome. Just kidding. Hi, guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Leo the Sonic Player, if you forgot. Also, that's my channel name. And today, we're going to be unlocking the bee. See, the bee is 1,300 coins. I watched like 100 ads and I got through 1,302. So, I'm back down to 2. Which is a little amount. I couldn't, so I had to yell to stop the yawn. Bee colony collapse. It's accelerating, so let's look at some research we were doing in this area. We're giving these experimental colonies 3 massages a day. It seems to keep them healthy, but it's very delicate work. It's so cute. They're massaging those little bees. A more promising project is the super bee. It pollinates like a regular bee, but is resistant to colony collapse. Unfortunately, it's not ready for field testing due to an unusual growth rate and mild aggression towards smaller creatures. Hey, are you filming? Am I gonna be on? Why does that bee have giant eyes? Why is it looking at me? Stop looking at me, bee. No! The bee looks like the bee looks happy and he's saying independence. So, the bee is extra cute looking, but I'll show you what looks cuter. If I can just get past these stupid gnats, they don't look better, they look worse. They look like dirt. These bees are the ones that I was talking about that's cuter. They can also sting you. I can sting you. It keeps... I don't know. Did I get her or did I not? Maybe I didn't know. Sometimes I'm just bad at hearing sometimes. I'm doing the bee movie.
You know what?
The bee movie.
The bee movie?
Yeah. Stop hurting me, bees. Yeah. We love nectar. This is a big fat bee. I have something to tell you that's shocking, but I'm not ruining it. I'm not spoiling it. I'm not spoiling it for anybody. Ow! Look at those stuck hummingbirds. They look so cute. It looks like they're hugging. a hummingbird grabbed onto me. Hummingbirds, I know I was on your butt, but don't poop on me. Don't take a shit on me, please. That would be so stupid to do. I'm not saying gross, cause it has to be booty. It has to be booty. These birds are not groceries. It has to be booty. Told you a million times that it has to be booty. So why, guys? So stupid. I hate you. I'm just doing this to make you angry a bit. Whatever. Again. Whatever. I don't care what the hell I say. I just like eating. And making myself hungry. Oh, hi, Cardinal. Been waiting for you. Why did you just fly into my mouth? That's a stupid way to end things off. And also, why does the drones explode? Oh, sorry. Why are they full of gasoline? Why would a drone explode? I'm asking the same thing you do. These drones are so bad. I'm like a noob trying to die in Minecraft by getting blown up by... Sorry. Why are they so explosive on themselves? Right when they touch them, it blows up. I'm only touching them. Why would it explode? What is happening right now? I don't like that, for sure. No. That's a bad way to end things off. Cardinal, come back here. I need you. There's like 100 drones. Wait. Okay. See you in a second. Okay, not only that, they keep flying into my mouth. There's like a billion cameras in the sky. What could they possibly be focused on? I feel like I'm in the middle of detention right now. Attention, I mean. Ow. You buzzer. Don't buzz me. Stop buzzing me. Don't buzz me. Yeah, you better get back here. Yeah, Bob. Everybody calls it Bob. I know. I'm just trying to be like people because I'm so stupid. Sorry. Anyways. So, we are eating a lot of crap. I mean, not a lot yet. I'm still only in centimeters in size. Come here, Birdie. Come here, Birdie! I was saying, come here, Birdie. Get in my tummy. Get my I love the music. I love the sound of the birdies. Oh no, the birdies are nothing compared to the song, how good it is. It's beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful day out here, beautiful songs, birdies singing songs. Yeah, it's so lovely. That kind of sounds like a bee buzzing. Oh yes, eat the hive frame where all the honey is. Wait, is it honey? I didn't read it at the beginning. I didn't read it. Whatever, that doesn't matter. All that matters is I'm eating. Because I'm so hungry. Good. Give me at least a star for that. Yes. And listen to me. Thank you. Why don't you just leave me alone? Eat nectar only. Don't eat the other bees. Okay? Don't even touch the other bees. Because watch. I lost 200 points. That is bad, bad, bad. But there's nothing else to eat. Help. One point. One. I really just want to eat those other bees. 100. So these nectars are a lot of points, but the bees, oh my god, it's so negative. It's even more than the nectar. It's not negative 100, it's negative 188. Whoa. I do not like that. Can you stop stealing my nectar, please? I need this nectar to make more honey, bastards. Okay, shut up. I don't even care what you do anymore to me. F you. Sorry, guys. I just needed to say it. That's 1,000 points. Okay, good. 1,000 points is good. Although maybe it's 200. I don't know. It said 1,000, so. Okay. 2 at a time is 1,000. Good. Very good. Do not eat the other bees. Pretty simple, isn't it? Dude, there's nothing to eat. The bees are eating it all. Oh no. This is bad. Yeah. It said 1,000, but it was actually 100. So that was 200. Oh, damn it. I hate you, you maker. Stop stealing my nectar. This is mine, all mine. My good nectar is mine, not yours. Do you know what? That's it. This group of flowers is mine. Oh, you trapper. No! Do not do it at all. Stop stealing my nectar. These bunches of flowers are mine. All mine. I swear. These flowers are mine. Fine. This flower and this flower are mine. Actually, all the flowers are mine. Actually, only this flower. Good. Thanks so much, game. I love you. Bird of a feather. Now, let's eat hummingbirds, I guess. I hear your little cries of terror, but I'm getting very big. I have a strategy to take. I'm very, very hungry. Anyways, ow! When I was about to say, let's go and eat some stuff, I said a cardinal hit me. And then again. What is wrong with you, stupid cardinals that can't let me say stuff? Those stupid cardinals. Oh my gosh. Why? Why cardinals? Ow. It's nothing, my leg just hurts a little. Pains. I guess screw you, Birdie. I just stung you. Why do you keep hurting me? Stop biting me, or else. How these guys bite me? I think you can guess. The spikies on their noses. The spikies on their noses. 16 and 16 and 15, 15 and 15 and 15. I need all the cardinals. I can't just have some of them though. I need all of the cardinals. I can't eat them. Help. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Oh my god, these birds are feeding me much more than these stupid, useless hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are stupid. Okay, I have something to tell you. How the hell did I do that? I'm sorry for the bad words, but how did I do 4 points away? That is too crazy, actually. Wind beneath my wings. I have to continue with this crap. Oh, hi, eagle. This is the first time we saw an angry eagle. Okay, seagulls, calm down. Oh no, they are not seagulls, they're eagles. Oh, I know what they are, bald eagles. Because they totally look like them. They remind me of bald eagles. Because they're bald. Ow, ow, okay, why do you hurt me much as a car? He goes, from the mouse. You hurt me at the car. 10 more points for the car. It takes away 183 days. Guys, how much did they take away from me? 160. It's still a lot though. Stop hurting me. I hate you. All these crafts are for Christmas. That might be my birthday present though, since I was a bad bee. I'm not kidding. They're cutting up my fuzzy bum. Oh yes! Come here, eagles. I would eat them all. Maybe I should go for some a little bit of park benches and feed on one more seagull before 2-minute mark. Are you sure about that? I don't think so. What's this one? Let it be. Okay. Guys, I'm actually ending it off here. If you leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, I would make more bee videos. And also, guys, stay cool, stay awesome, and bye! I know I'm yawning.